Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Thanks for coming along. Feels like it's been a while since I've done one of these. Hold on. Oh, missed the light. Oh well. It's been busy, taking care of shit at home. Got a job, started a job. Seems to be going all right so far. A couple weeks in, so that's good. But, oh, green light. But I've been putting my energy into that, so what I've been doing is giving up my bike time to my own detriment, honestly. And forced myself this morning to get up early and go for a ride, even if it's only a short thing, just to get out of the house. So that's what I'm doing. Today will be Coffeeneuring number 7. Gonna complete the mission, as it were. Today I'm gonna do I think they call it coffee shop with no walls. Basically coffee outside. That's what I'm gonna do. So I brewed up drip at home, and I'm just gonna ride somewhere and drink it. It's my only plan today. So I just picked a park close by. Low stakes. Quick hit. Just gotta get back to work. Be ready to work in about an hour and a half from now. So no reason to stress out about it. Just to make it happen. Try to pick up the pieces, I guess. Well, for LA, it's a little bit chilly in the morning these days. You know. I know. Relative to LA. That's why I said it. But allows me to break out the wool long sleeve jerseys. Even busted out the sick knickers. Full bicycle quarterly cosplay today. This has me training for that SF weather. I'm about to endure the horrors of it. Wow, check these houses out. Oh, there's an active SUV cargo bike. Riverwalk wall. Man, this one. Low boy. This one's amazing. This is South Pass. Apparently it's the top 5th most expensive place to live over here. And right next to it, San Marino is number 1. And Alhambra is next to South Pass. But there is a definite difference between the two. Oh. good spot. Knew it. Always spills. Always. Of course, I didn't bring a bandana today, because why would I? Thanks for joining me today on this momentous occasion. Coffeeneuring number 7, coffee outside, coffee shop without walls. Man. Crow had a nice bounty up there. It's a little chilly for some of us. Didn't ride too far today, but again, that wasn't really the worry. Today was more about just getting outside, just getting motivated, having to put things together, line things up, take care of the dogs, etc. Just life stuff. I've just been really struggling with some of that lately, so it feels good to be outside, not have to walk over to the computer right away. Oh, it's like what do they call it, a Cooper's hawk, I think? Small guy. I think that's what that was. Mostly been spending my time on the computer these days, doing classes and now working. Don't get me wrong, good problem to have, but it's challenging finding a balance for good mental outlook. PMA, as the kids call it, pizza mental attitude. I think that's what that translates to. Of course, getting up this morning, you know, when you don't do stuff for a while, you kind of forget the rhythm of doing things. And finding all my shit, clothes, I even wore bibs today. And these fancy knickers, man, these things are so nice. These are the Renair Snickers. I've had them for a long time, really long time. I used to wear them every single day on my ride to work. I haven't worn them in years, but man, they are so nice. Really thin and obviously very fancy, man. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but it's like it's a good length, see? And they're super light, so, you know, I can wear them over bibs. Don't feel like I'm wearing anything, and then if you wanted to, you could just pop them off and throw them in your bag. They just ball up really small. But if you wanted to pop into a shop or something and don't want to look like you're walking around in your chonies, then these things are a good middle ground. You know, wear your bibs, something very light, but you're not walking around in your underoos all day long. But of course, camera needed an update. The battery was low. Luckily, the Wahoo was charged. I don't know how that managed to happen, but tires were low. I noticed that the last time I rode my bike, the seat post had slipped, so I had to stop and adjust that. And, you know, just when you think like you're just gonna pop out for a quick ride, before I knew it, I was like 30 minutes behind my departure time. which was fine. It's more important to get out, but it's just the way the cookie crumbles, as they say. It's really nice out here today. Sun coming up. Oh, I got some news. YouTube channel got monetized. That's pretty cool. Making 0.003 cents on some videos. Man, raking it in. Such a huge threshold. Took me about 11 months. 11 months of consistent videos to get to that point. So it feels really good to have set that goal and made it, reached it. Obviously, I knew I wasn't going to make a lot of money on it, but it's kind of comical just how little money it has been making. So it's pretty cool, though. You know, it's interesting to see. It will be interesting to see because it's only been maybe a week, maybe less than a week. So it hasn't, and the reporting is like a couple days behind. So even though it's been like a week, it's really only been 4 days, 5 days maybe. So I have no real idea, you know, what it would be. It's probably going to take a month or two again to see how it works. And also the old videos aren't getting the traction that the newer videos get. So the old videos, if they get, you know, some silly low percentage of an ad thing, it's not going to compare to what like a new fresh one that people are watching today or tomorrow, or probably not today or tomorrow, but in a few days would get, obviously, because of traffic. So but it'll be interesting to see how it all works out, how it shakes out. Good morning. Not awkward at all, sitting here talking to a camera alone in a park, in a corner, tucked away in a corner even. Totally not awkward or suspect. All right, gang, so that just about wraps this up. Just about done with this cup. There it is officially. So, time to head on back. Take care of the doggos. Do some work. Maybe I'll edit a fun video today. That would be cool. Take a break before I do my homework. And yeah, if you like these weird videos, like, subscribe, tell your friends. There's membership you can join. Get videos a day early, which I know is important to so many people these days. Helps put some coffee in my cup. That's cool. Appreciate that. And yeah, about to go right home. So thanks for watching. Later.